This lesson we'll be looking at using a method of substitution to solve simultaneous equations. Now, solving two simultaneous equations involves finding a solution that satisfies both of the equations. Let's work through an example. So, let's solve y equals x plus 5 and 3x plus y equals 13. So we've got a pair of equations here, and we want to solve them simultaneously. So we want to find a solution that satisfies both of these equations. The first thing that we can do is just to write them out and label them equation 1 and equation 2. Now, what we want to do here is substitute equation 1 into equation 2. So, if we do that, we're substituting equation 1 into equation 2. So, equation 1 says y equals x plus 5. So, in this equation here, where we see this y, we want to substitute in x plus 5 because we know that y is equal to x plus 5. So let's write out 3x plus, instead of y, we'll substitute in x plus 5 equals 13. Now we're only dealing with x's, so we can go ahead and solve this equation here to find x. So we'll get 3x plus x is 4x plus 5 equals 13. Subtract 5 from both sides, 4x equals 8. Divide both sides by 4, x equals 2. Now, in order to find our y value, all we need to do is substitute this x value into either one of these equations. Now, it doesn't matter which one we choose. I'm going to choose this first one here as it looks a little bit less complicated than this one. This first one here will be easy just to substitute in x equals 2. So substitute x equals 2 into equation 1. And we get y equals 2 plus 5, so y equals 7. Therefore, our solution is x equals 2, y equals 7. Now, if we want to check these, we can come back in and substitute them back into both of the equations. So we had y equals 7 and we had x equals 2. If we substitute them in, 7 equals 2 plus 5. That's correct. If we substitute x equals 2 and y equals 7 in here, we'll get 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. So we know that our solution down there of x equals 2 and y equals 7 is correct. Hopefully that's been helpful for you in solving simultaneous equations using the method of substitution.